Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into the awesome, and I mean the awesome Ape Motorcycle Club. This is an NFT collection of 10,000 hand-drawn AMC NFTs that are ready for a road trip into the metaverse. So you guys better be ready. So make sure you guys follow them, especially here on Twitter. Not only that, but follow them on Discord. We're going to talk more about that towards the end of the video. So if we go ahead and take a look, it looks like they have been here since January, so only a few months. They currently have a total of 10,000 followers. So it's good to see that they have grown this much, especially in the past previous months. If we go ahead and scroll down for their first tweet, you guys can see where it states that we are glad to announce a new partnership with Walk Labs. So it looks like they are giving away to our Bikers Club 2 NFTs plus 20 whitelist spots. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure that you guys follow these things right here in order to participate. And if I'm correct, they actually just did another partnership as well. It states that we are glad to announce a new partnership with Definity Pigs. They are giving away to our Bikers Club 10 whitelist spots. So ladies and gentlemen, it looks like this project is definitely making a lot of partnerships, which means a lot of exposure. So let's go ahead and dive down into the website. So whenever it comes to the Ape Motorcycle Club, you guys can see we got the saloon, we got the biker saloon, and these apes are ready to go on their bikes. They are ready to go on a road trip. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So what is Ape Motorcycle Club? That is a great question. So when you join the Motorcycle Club, you are securing a lifelong friendship with 10,000 other Ape Motorcycle Club members. Our intention is to make the first and the biggest motorcycle club community. The community always comes first, which in turn drives value. There's going to be exclusive rights to artwork, clothing line, comic book, giveaways, donations to charity, and huge privileges to our upcoming projects. Our roadmap is quarterly based with new and innovative goals and roadmaps each and every quarter term. So one thing I definitely like about this, you guys, is the fact that they announced the words comic books. I have never seen any other type of NFT offer a comic book. So it says right here, ride with your unique style. Ride with your unique style, ladies and gentlemen. So you guys can see right here, we got a hat, we got eyes, we got earrings, we got a shirt, we got a mouth, we got headlights, we got a gas tank, we got a body, we got mirrors, and we have pants. So it looks like this guy is definitely ready to go. So ride with your unique style. There are a total of several hundred hand-drawn different modifications ranging from different hat styles to different body types with up to 4 different factions, each having their own backstory that will be enough to make each AMC biker unique in his own way. So take up your unique biker style and join the club in their awesome adventure to the metaverse. So I love to hear that. If we go ahead and continue, we got this part right here. It states time to choose your faction. So we got a big question mark right here, and then we have the choose a faction to continue. Which one would you guys like to pick? Well, let's go ahead and start off with the orange one. So it states right here, we got the Wild Bandos. The Wild Bandos is the ruling biker faction in the southern part of the country, having a consistently conflict with their rival neighbors, the Bikers of Hell, resulting in a non-stop war to obtain leadership of the grand portion of the country. After the banishment of the outlaws, they teamed up with the Freedom Riders to stop any conflicts happening between them and so improving their relations with the Freedom Riders. So definitely makes a lot of sense. So then we got right over here, this is their rivals, the Bikers of Hell. So it states that the Bikers of Hell are one of the most early founders of the organized factions in the country, ruling a big portion of the country while having a non-stop war with their southern neighbors, the Wild Bandos, to keep their faction legacy in place. So definitely seems like these two are at it. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. We're going to take a look at the green. This is the Outlaws. The Outlaws were former freedom riders before they got banished out of their faction for scheming against the wild bandos. You definitely don't want anybody scheming you. It states that since then, they banished bikers began their own faction in the western part of the country called the Outlaws. So let's go ahead and see the Freedom Riders. So for the Freedom Riders, it says right here that the Freedom Riders began the biggest biker club in the country not until long ago. Some of their most trusted members are now called the Outlaws. Schemed them about a conflict with the wild bandos, trying to wage a war against their two factions, resulting in banishment of a great portion of their own faction, making them now rivals. So ladies and gentlemen, we got a lot of conflict, it seems like, between different biker gangs. Let's go ahead and continue. So why be a biker? Well, that is definitely a great question. So we do have the metaverse, we have the exclusive merchandise, we have a grand tournament, we have upcoming projects. So these are the main reasons, the top 4 reasons on why you should be a biker. Now remember, you guys, the roadmap is quarterly, so it's important that you guys pay attention. So whenever it comes to the roadmap, we got website launch and NFT reveal. You guys can see that there is a check mark right here. Then we got marketing campaign. We got the NFT launch. We got the metaverse. We have the ape charity. We have the merchandise. We have the big tournament, and then we have the roadmap version 2.0. So definitely seems like they have a big community that they plan on growing. Not only that, you guys, but they have a lot of guidance for their future for this NFT collection. Last but not least, you guys, we have the team. All right. So it looks like right over here, we got Andrew. He is the artist. We have Lorenzo, he is the developer. We have Ingrid, who is the supervisor. And last but not least, we have the designer, Latina. So definitely keep eyes on this team, ladies and gentlemen. So overall, I think this is going to be a great project. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below to the downside. And don't forget, you guys, that right up here to the right, this will give you access to the Discord. Now, once you get into the Discord, there are many rooms. And I'll tell you guys right now, a few of these are very, very important. So obviously, we got the announcements. Highly recommend that you guys keep up to date with the announcements. Not only that, you guys, the roadmap going to be very important. Be sure that you understand the different rules and who is in charge. You guys can see that they do have a lot of members and there are a lot of different rules. So make sure you know exactly who you are speaking to, especially if they are in charge. Down here, they do have the official links. They do have general, so you're able to leave comments here. You're able to say whatever you like. And one of the sections that is important is going to be right here. It states this racing competition. So we do have the races. All right, you guys can see everything that has been posted here. You can even see the leaderboard, even know when to sign up. So be sure that you guys join all of this to get the best experience. All right, so really like this project. I think it's going to be good. If you guys will, leave some comments down below and just tell us what do you think. Have a great one. We'll see you later, and ciao.